Yo, what's happening, everybody? I got done with a fat run. I believe I ran 8 miles or so, and this is how many steps I got. Shake a bam, 751. There's the step, 15.5K. It's not too bad, eh? After so much hard work and dedication and time, I'm done and I'm exporting my vlog here. You guys can see, bam, bam, bam. Oh, shoot, you guys saw. I'm scaping it up there, trying to get 99 wood cutting on a private server. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just trying to make money on the private server. But for the most part, I'm worn out. I had too much screen time. I need some food in this body, man. Guys, we're so lucky in America because we have options and we have an abundance. And you know, I kind of debated there. I'm like, what do I want to eat? Because there's multiple things I could eat. But what I have here is some chicken with some lentils with a little bit of broccoli and some Brussels sprouts. Gotta have your vegetables. And I have here an apple because this is my sweet. It's the best sweet ever, man. It really satisfies my cravings of chocolate and ice cream. But I'm gonna demolish this. And I'm gonna show you a magic trick. You ready? Just like that, it's gone. I still have some fruit, which I consider my dessert. Berries popped out of nowhere, right? And I have my apple. Yo guys, what's up? It's 6:51 right now. I want to fly the DJI Spark, which is a drone, a beginner drone, and I really want to get experience. So I'm gonna be driving over right now to find a place, kind of scout one out. Don't know where I'm gonna go, but let's go find a place, eh? Here we are, here we are. Alright y'all, I found a little place, a tree, some grass here at a junior high, and I'm gonna fly the DJI Spark. I think for this part, I'm just going to test out the range, see how far it can go. I'll get some good shots, and I'll just be able to see, what it's like to fly, just get more experience. They're gonna have 3 batteries, so that's at least 30 minutes of flight time. So enjoy some footage. It's tracking me. The freaking drone is stalking me right now. I don't know if you guys can see. There's a drone following me. Illegal. There's a freaking fly or something in the air. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's following me. We better run. 21%. There it is. I'm gonna see if I can catch the drone. I caught it. I got one more battery to go. I can't record though. I straight up can't record, so I'm gonna see if I can do one more range test. $16, $15, $14, $13. All right, guys, let's see if it lands right there. Well, guys, I'm super happy. I'm super satisfied. I can't complain. I got a good 30 plus minutes of flying time. It's a beautiful day. I was hoping to get the sunset. The sun's just killing right over my shoulder. But yeah, DJI Spark, great drone. I will definitely review the drone later. But wait, quick. Check step, walk step, 18.9. It's not too bad. Whoops. We did it. You guys just saw I got my 20,000 steps in for the day. I flew the DJI Spark. I love the drone. I've never owned a drone like that before, so it's super great, guys. But thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I love vlogging. I love video making. I want to be more creative in so many aspects of the work. But yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow for another 20,000 step challenge. Sleep good, eat good, and just continue to grind whatever it is you guys are doing, because it's worth it in the end, okay? If you guys are new, click the subscribe button and comment down below, and be sure to drop this video a like if you enjoyed, okay? I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.